Ito kami sa Canadian International School of Hong Kong.
Hindi natin alam. Lumutang ako.
Yan o, ganda ng place nila. Ano to?
Wala.
Ayan sis, how's the first swimming lesson?
Ay, nako, puno ako ng tubig.
Except sa marami kang tubig ngayon.
Oo nga.
Anong magandang experience yung first day mo?
Yun, ang iksi na aking hininga. Kailangan pala malalim ang hininga mo.
So ang anuhan namin for today is yung breathe in, breathe out.
Mahina.
Ayan, so pauwi na kami. At siya, ang class ko is 2 to 3, pero siya naman is 3 to 4. Kaya see you guys again sa aming lesson. We have 12 weeks every Saturday na pag-learn ng swimming. So see you. Sus, naka 10 seconds.
Oy, that's mine? Is that mine? It's mine. Oh, where's mine? Ano saan yung akin? Is this mine? Akin na to. Dito niya kinuha, di ba?
Oo, dito na kinuha. Bawal dito ang ano, cellphone. Bawal dito.
Ano sa kanya to? Sa kanya nga to, sa'yo nga. Paano di ko kabisado kasi bago rin yung akin. Diyos ko po. Ayan oh.
Sa gusto to. Yes, nandito yung pagkain.
Oo, di daw bawal daw kumain.
Yung jacket ko naman, nandito naman.
Yan na lang yan oh.
I-off mo lang muna si...
Oh.
Guys, ang taas nitong escalator na to. Nandito kami sa Admiralty. Ang lawak pa oh. Ilang line na escalator yan sis? 4 no? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan, 4 oh. Parang ang gandang mag-prank dito sa banda rito. Ayan o, tignan nyo kung gaano siya kalawak. Diba? Ayan pa, central na kami. Nandito na kami sa central pala. Sa sobrang lawak ng MTR na to sa Admiralty, mawawala ka talaga kapag ka hindi mo alam. Wala akong lipstick sis. Kasi katatapos lang namin nag-swimming, kaya nabura lang naman yung mga ano namin, lips natin. So ayan, nandito na kami sa train. Kasama ko pa rin si Sis Joyce. Malapit na kami. Central na kami.
Nanabot pa kami kasi ito alpha.
Ayan, this is a splash. May ano pa siya, oh. May blower siya. Ayan, may blower pa siya, oh. Para mag-dry. Ouch.
Ding, ang bato! Ding, ang bato! Ding, ang bato! Ding, ang bato! Wait lang, bilisan mo. Ayun, chocolate. Ding. Dali. Wait, okay. Ding, ang bato!
Guys, preparing na for food for the splasher. Bakit may pailaw? Baba mo konti, Tikels. Yan. Bakit may... 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. O, ano? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ikaw din!
1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Ang dami naming pagkain. Vegetable, cakes. Ang dami. Pansit. Rice, adobo, bread. Oh my God, spring roll. Pansit, puto. Puto. Oh, biko. Yummy. Donuts! My God! Oh, pizza ulit and drinks.
Sa tabi lang ilagay.
Ayan, ang dami. There's the food.
So the only thing I want to say congratulations, well done, everyone's day. So listen, I know you worked really hard on all of that, and as I said at the beginning, it's not you may not have been able to do every skill today, but you guys were really committed. You were really committed to that, and that's the most important thing. So we will have some beginner classes. We're going to have beginner plus class at Kellett out in Kowloon Bay. Yes. And that starts next Saturday, and it's a different time slot. It's from 4 to 6 p.m. So I think there's still some spots left in there, and you'll be able to start registering in those after Monday. And then if you don't get into a beginner plus class, please keep practicing, because it's really important. We kind of say use it or lose it. Yes. So if you wait till the next beginner class, not everyone gets into a beginner class. So you've met all your new friends, you've got people to go swimming with, so please go to the public pools and please practice in a safe place, okay? Beginner plus class. Coach Ben, what do you want to say?
Said most of what I wanted to say already.
Oh, sorry.
I think what's important is that you guys reflect on today. Today is a celebration. Today is all about you guys, yeah. And just take a little bit of time, maybe on the way back home. You think about where you were on life, yeah? And you think about what you're able to do today, yeah. In the short span of maybe 3 months, yeah. So imagine taking that. And how far can you go if you keep on practicing? So keep practicing and keep trying to go, for the beginner plus classes, and then maybe soon you'll be able to swim at the splash pad, which is taking place tomorrow. So the people there are the people that were in your position maybe a year or two ago, yeah? Yes. So you could easily be one of those ones in Splash Dash 2025. Yeah. So
Fabulous. All right, let's eat.
Can we hear her story? So, this is it. Before Splash, I really don't know how to swim. In a scale of 1 to 10, well, I'm not there because I'm 0. So when I finally got a slot in Splash registration, I'm absolutely delighted. Like I win the lottery. Because year after year, I was trying, and just in few minutes, the slot was full, the registration is full. So when I really, and then when I started here, in my first class, in the first meeting, I was so excited. With my classmates, meeting new classmates, and the coaches as well. And in my mind, I say, I hope they will not give up on me. But when I finally got into the water, the ever sweetest smile of the coaches. Teaching us with TLC, gender language. That is the thing that I don't want to give up. They're not giving up on me. Why would I give up? Yes! Even today, I was really so nervous. And my family, every time I send pictures and videos, they are thrilled and was so excited to see me afloat my new skill. And they asked me, so you're gonna teach us? I said, yeah, of course. I'm gonna teach you like the athlete does. But now I have a lot of wasabi nose. You're fine at this. So, finally, it's not only about swimming. We build a friendship. I found a new family here. Very thankful, really. And I hope this bonding that we form will not end here. Keep practicing. And I hope everyone here are beyond grateful. We are beyond grateful, and especially we acquire a lifelong skill, and it's free. So it's really, I am beyond grateful. founder and director, coach, the head coach, Lily Alexander, and the co-founder, Simon Holiday. I hope I spell it good. I pronounce it right. And ever-loving coaches. Very patient, friendly. I never think I would ever learn to swim. So I'm really thankful to Splash. So let's now shout proudly. Shout that we can swim. 1, 2, 3.
We can swim!
Thank you, Splash.
Thank you, Splash! You're Doon ka na sa tabi niya. Doon ka na sa tabi niya. Doon ka, oh.
I remember. Yes. It's so sweet. Thank you.
I'm sorry.